Hey, it's Chubai here. Just wanted to give you a quick little easy recipe on how to make waffles at home for your family. First thing you want to do is lay out all of the ingredients. That way you're not looking for different ingredients and realizing you don't have something. And of course everything is pre-measured. That way when you're ready to cook for your family, it's all ready to go. In a medium bowl, you want to put in the flour. You want to put in the sugar. You also want to put in the baking powder, and you want to put in the salt. So you're basically putting in all of your dry ingredients, and then you want to whisk it. Okay? After that, you want to make sure you add the egg, which I pre-cracked. You want to put in the milk, and then you want to put in the melted butter. And all you're going to do is you're going to mix it until it's just mixed. You don't want to over mix it. This is a batter that is going to be ready to use in just mere moments. Now that the indicator light turned off on my waffle maker, it's time to go ahead and add that surface to make it not stick. So you're going to either add a bit of butter, or I'm going to use actually a little bit of vegetable spray. So you spray a little bit on the top and you spray a little on the bottom. So now it's time to put in some of the batter. See how it goes for the first one and see if I need to put in less or more for the remaining waffles. Ooh, that looks so good. Oh, look how perfect that is. Okay, I'm gonna get that ready. Time to make a few more so that we can actually have a proper breakfast. Now, breakfast is served. Ready to go. Got your orange juice, maybe your coffee, maybe your tea, and of course don't forget some maple syrup, maybe locally if you can do it. And just put as much as you want on and enjoy a wonderful meal with your family.